Welcome to J&J's test video of SKCE 463. This is an 88 Corvette in Nassau blue with a medium blue interior. And she runs, but she has to it won't stumble or come stumbling off the highway. Got a miss somewhere down low. She runs alright. 74,000 miles. Back there in the front, a little tap back here. Show you the gauges. The seats all work. They do have a little clip here and there. Hear that? But they're alright. This is C4 stuff we're talking about. Oh, we get the lever. Gauge cluster works. See if it goes into gear. Alright, let's check and see if the tape deck. I'm gonna turn it off and run for a bit. Alright, cluster. Super 80s. Tape deck works. The heater controls do work. See what the tape deck goes. I gotta have it on. There it goes. Oh yeah, it does work. Oh. Alright, see if it ejects. Oh, look at those. Alright, heater controls work. Temperature goes up. Alright. Oh, what are they doing down there? Doing a little dance. Oh, maybe not. That's why I try to test this stuff. A little crazy talk. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, as always, turn that on. Thank you for watching. And have your pets spayed and neutered.